Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhu states, we 130 people were accompanying the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do any one of you have any food? A man had approximately one sa, 4 kilograms of flour, so it was needed. Then a tall, disheveled-haired polytheist came who was grazing his flock of goats. The Prophet ﷺ said, will you sell or donate or gift a goat? He said, no, I will rather sell it. So he ﷺ purchased a goat from him, and its meat was prepared. Allah's Apostle ﷺ then passed orders to roast its liver. Hazrat Abdul Rahman radiyallahu anhu says, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the Prophet ﷺ dispensed every one of those 130 people a share in the liver. Whoever was present there, he ﷺ gave his share, and the shares of absentees were kept. He ﷺ put the meat into 2 bowls, so we all consumed of it our fill, and even then the food was left in the 2 bowls which I put on the camel, or what the reporter narrated. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5332.